Microsoft was planning to announce Windows 11 on June 24th, but it got leaked before that. In this video, you will see a sneak peek preview of Windows 11 before its launch. We will also be showing the new features of Windows 11. Before we start this detailed guide, press the like button and subscribe to our channel in case you forget later. The Windows 11 installation. The ISO file of Windows 11 got leaked, so you can easily install it using a USB drive. Here I am installing it on the virtual machine to show its first look. The first screen in the installation process allows you to choose language and time zone. You can also select your keyboard layout. Then click Next. Click on Install Now. On the next screen, you have to enter the product key, which I don't have right now, so I'm going to skip it. Now here you can select the Windows 11 version. It has Home, Education, and Pro version. I am going to choose Windows 11 Pro. Then click Next. Here on the Software License Term screen, you can see it was last updated on June 2021. Accept the agreement and click Next. Now here we are installing it for the first time, so we have to select this option. You can create partitions here. Click Next. Then the installation process will begin. You have to wait for some time. The whole installation took around 35 minutes on the virtual machine. Now you have to configure Windows 11 for the first time use. This setup interface reminds me of the recently leaked Windows 10X, which Microsoft decided to hold. Now we see it in Windows 11. Choose your country or region. Click Yes. Next, you have to select the keyboard layout. Click Yes. You can add a second keyboard layout also, though I'm skipping it. Now it is checking for updates. Now it's time to add your Microsoft account. Let's see if Windows 11 supports offline accounts. Checking it under the Sign-in options. Yes, they have the offline account option. Here, Microsoft tells you about the benefit of using a Microsoft account. You have to click on Limited Experience to use Windows 11 with an offline account. They just want you to understand what you're missing. Here I am adding the username. Click Next. Then Password. Click Next. Now confirm password. Click Next. Then set up the security questions. Here, choose the privacy settings. Now wait for 5 more minutes. And that's it. You'll see the Windows 11 desktop. Let's thank our sponsor MalwareFox for this video. MalwareFox gets rid of hidden malware from your computer. It is a simple yet effective anti-malware software providing protection against adware, spyware, ransomware, keyloggers, and all modern cyber threats. Check the description below to download for free. New features of Windows 11. Taskbar. The Windows 11 taskbar shows the icons in the center, including the Start menu. If you open something new, it also goes in the center. Start menu. The Start menu is completely redesigned, and if you remember the Windows 10X, you can see it is the same Start menu. All the programs and apps appear as icons, and there are no live tiles. The apps you see here are the pinned apps. You can unpin them and can pin other programs from the All Apps section. You can also move them to the top. The new Start menu looks elegant with round edges. If you right-click on the Start, it shows the Windows context menu similar to Windows 10. Next to the Start menu there is the Search option. It is very similar to Windows 10 except for the round edge layout. This rounded edge is everywhere on Windows 11. Action Center. There's nothing new on the Action Center, but it looks refreshing. The time and agenda, volume, networks, and quick launch are also similar to Windows 10. File Manager. If you see the File Manager, everything is placed like the Windows 10 File Manager, but you'll see the new icons. These new icons make the File Manager look more impressive. Multitasking. For multitasking people, Windows 11 has a new feature. If you hover your mouse at the Maximize icon for some time, you will see the layout template. You can click on the layout, and the window gets resized according to that template. On Windows 10, you had to use the keyboard keys to place the windows, and now it is much easier to use. On Windows 11, virtual desktops appear just above the taskbar. Widget. Windows 11 comes with a widget feature. It shows you the weather information, stock rates, and sports. If you scroll, you'll see the latest news and articles based on your interests. New animations and sounds. The Windows 11 comes with cool animations and new sounds. If you minimize a window, you can see the new animation. Also, the Windows 11 startup tune is different and interesting. All other sounds are also brand new. In my opinion, the Windows 11 design is refreshing, and there are a few new things to experience. There are new icons, new sounds, new animations, and new wallpapers. Along with these, the Start menu and Action Center are much more simplified compared to Windows 10. It is also much more touch-friendly, so it will be very easy to use on tablets and hybrid devices. You should also note that this is not the official release. It is a leaked version, so it doesn't represent the actual Windows 11 that Microsoft plans to release on June 24th. There are fewer chances that it is a fake Windows 11 because the OS name and build are mentioned here. Still, the official Windows 11 release could be a little different. The countdown is already running on the Microsoft website, so it would be best if you wait for that. What do you think about this leaked Windows 11? Are you excited about its new features, or you just want to stay with Windows 10? Tell us in the comment section. That's it for this video. If you have any questions and suggestions, drop them below and share this useful video with your friends. Like the video and subscribe to our channel. Your likes and comments motivate us to create such videos. Don't forget to press the bell button to receive alerts for videos on Windows 10 tips and tricks.